Landing your dream job hinges on Indeed knowing where you want to work, so let's get that location updated. First, you need to be logged in. Head to Indeed.com and click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email address and password, then click the Sign In button to access your account. Now that you're logged in, look for your profile icon or initials in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, select Profile. This will take you to your profile page. Scroll down until you find the Location section. To the right of your current location, you'll see an edit icon, which looks like a pencil or a small editing symbol. Click on this icon. Now you can type in your desired location in the text field that appears. Start typing the city and state, or even a zip code. Indeed will start suggesting locations as you type. Select the correct location from the drop-down menu that appears. Once you've selected the correct location, it will automatically update on your profile. Double-check to make sure it's correct. And that's it. Now Indeed will prioritize jobs in your desired area, helping you find the perfect opportunity.